going to have a look at an example where logic can be used and also constructing a truth table. So Ed's day, Ed slept in, then had pancakes for breakfast. He went to the gym in the morning, then ate a sandwich for lunch. He played golf in the afternoon and had a steak for dinner. Consider the following propositions. So P, Ed got out of bed early. Ed ate a steak for lunch. Ed ate a fish for dinner. Ed went to the movies. So let's have a look at them. So A, we're looking at the proposition P, determining if it's true or false. So P, Ed got out of bed early. We have Ed slept in, so that is false. The next proposition is S. So S, Ed ate steak for dinner. So he had steak for dinner, so this one must be true. C, Q and U. So Q and U, Ed ate pancakes for breakfast and he went to the gym. So Ed had pancakes for breakfast and he went to the gym. So that is true. P or W. So W and P. Ed got out of bed early or Ed played golf. So we know Ed slept in and then he played golf. So one of them is true. Because it's or, we say that this one is true. R or S. Ed ate steak for lunch or Ed ate steak for dinner. Well, we know Ed ate steak for dinner. One of them's true, so therefore our statement is true. And, remember A, looks like an A for and S. And S, well, we know he only ate it for dinner, so that is false. R or S, but not both. So for dinner or for lunch or for dinner, but not both. Well, that's true because he only had it for dinner. And T or V. So T, fish for dinner, or V, went to the movies. Well, we know he didn't eat fish, and we know he didn't go to the movies, so this statement is false. Now, if we have a look at a truth table, construct a truth table for the proposition P or not Q. So the first step is to create the not column. So I've got my options for P, so true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, here we've got the not, so if it's not Q, in this example, it is true, so if it's not true, it must be false. Here it's false. If it's not false, it must be true. If it's true, same as above, must be false and true. Now I've got my next column, P or not Q. So essentially, I'm ignoring this middle column. So is it P? Yes. Is it not Q? No, but it's P or Q, so this one must be true. We have true and a true, so P or, it's both, but it's still true because it's not an exclusive disjunction. False and false, well, it's neither, so that must be false. And finally, we have false and true. It's one of them because it's or, so this statement must be true. That's a very quick way of how you construct a truth table.